In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all conversation history in Grok 2026 step by step. If you want a clean slate for privacy, organization, or just to reduce clutter, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can remove all past chats in one go. I'll keep it clear and simple, and you can follow along at your own pace. Start by opening Grok in your browser or the app and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main screen, take a moment to get oriented. Look toward the lower part of the sidebar, where your account and app controls typically live. That's where you'll find the options you need to manage your data. Click your profile icon or avatar to open the account menu. From there, choose Settings. This is the central place for managing preferences, notifications, and most importantly for today, your privacy and data options. Inside Settings, look for a section labeled Data Controls. This area is designed specifically for managing what Grok stores about your usage, including your conversation history. Open it and scan for the control that says Delete All Conversations. It should be clearly labeled, often near other privacy or retention options, so you can easily identify it. When you see Delete All Conversations, click the Delete button next to it. Grok will pause and ask you to confirm. You'll see a prompt that essentially asks, "Are you sure?" This is a safeguard to prevent accidental loss of information because this action is permanent and cannot be undone. Take a quick moment here to be absolutely certain you're ready to proceed. If you rely on any past exchanges for notes or references, make sure you've captured what you need ahead of time. Once you're confident, confirm the prompt to proceed with deletion. The system will begin removing your conversation history. Depending on how much content you've accumulated, this might take a few moments. When it's finished, your chat list should be cleared, giving you a fresh start. A couple of quick tips to keep everything smooth. If your interface looks slightly different, don't worry. Grok may update menu placements from time to time, but the settings and data controls sections are the key places to look. If your chat list doesn't immediately reflect the change, try refreshing the page or briefly switching tabs within the app to reload your view. That's it. Your entire conversation history in Grok is now deleted. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to tidy up your workspace.